do have a quick tip, and it's about multiple users. This only applies to Android. At least I haven't been able to find any way to do it on an iPhone unless you jailbreak it. So I'm going to be demonstrating on an Android. And the reason for this is I've seen parents and grandparents just hand their phone over to the little kids to play a game. Ooh, that sounds dangerous.
It is.
So this feature gives you a real easy way to hand the phone to a kid and not have them able to reach your stuff. So I'm going to demonstrate that. And this is my Google phone. And notice the placement of the apps. I had to swipe a secret code in order to unlock the phone. There's Facebook. If I go into Gmail, they're my emails. So if I want to hand this phone to somebody else, I have set up a second user. And right there on the shortcuts is user. And you could just say guest. So I can tap on guest, give this to a kid. I'm going to tap on Alan because I've actually set up Alan, our imaginary friend, on this phone. And notice now when I go to unlock it, there's no passcode necessary. The icons are all different. There's only one screen of icons. And when I go into Gmail, I am seeing Alan's Gmail, not my Gmail. So then I take the phone back and I just tap on user and go back to me. And now I have my phone back and I have to know the code to unlock it. And that is my quick tip of the day. There's multiple users on Android. Now, not all Android phones have this. So you just take a look in your settings, see if there is a setting for users. It started, I think, with Android version 6.
Okay.
So it's both a version and there might be some phones that don't have it either, but most do.
Mm-hmm.
And tablets, Android tablets, that's even more important for when you want to give it over to the kids.